I used to be a technician, but things have changed since then. I've since revisited with some of our master techs, and they said that what's happening, guys? It's Donovan at Wilkins Harley-Davidson. You know what they say, the devil's in the details. A couple of things that I appreciate out the new Milwaukee 8 Softail front ends. They put the dual bedding valve technology in the forks, as you may or may not know. What this is internally a couple different new valves for the fork fluid to be diverted. Essentially, that equates to less pogoing, less dive into a corner. When you hit a bump, it's going to push the front tire back into the ground, allow you better control over the motorcycle, ultimately more fun, more response. So that's the first thing. The second thing I would like to talk about is the front axle. They actually now have a hollow front axle all the way through from one side to the other. It used to previously be a solid type axle with an axle nut, a lock washer, a spacer washer on the outside of the forks. Now on the new front end, it's threaded on one side of the axle. When you remove or install the axle, you just thread it into the other side of the fork. It's a 3/4 Allen now. I used to be a technician, but things have changed since then. I've since revisited with some of our master techs, and they said that the torque spec is actually very similar. It's in the upper 70s range. But another thing that I thought was interesting, they redesigned the front fork cap. So this used to be a separate piece that actually came off the front fork when you remove the axle. This one now is a pinch bolt, and it stays part of the front fork. Looking forward to speaking with you again about some more details next week. Again, Donovan at Wilkins. Give us a call or stop down the shop, 802-476-6104.